is quadratic equation, parabolas and other graph, exam practice question 4. So the first thing we need to be thinking about is that we are dealing with a trapezium. We have been given the measurements and we've been given the volume of 351 centimeters squared. The only thing we don't know that we need to find is x. So we start off with our equation. H in brackets a plus b divided by 2. Our h is 2x times our a is x minus 4 and our b is x plus 5. So plus x plus 5 and we're dividing it by 2. Timesing and dividing by 2, it cancels out. So I'm left with x, and then I've got x plus x is 2x, and negative 4 plus 5 equals plus 1. So 2x times x is 2x squared. X times 1 is just x, and we know it is equal to 351. So to get that 351 onto the other side, we take away it from both sides. And now we have our equation of 2x squared plus x minus 351 divided equals 0. The next thing we need to be thinking about is we need to think about how to factorize. So two numbers that times together to equal AC. AC is 2 times negative 351 equals negative 702. So when I'm thinking about negative 702, I'm thinking about what two numbers do I times together to equal 702. And this is where we need to use a calculator for this part. And we can get it by 26 times 27. And that will equal 702, but I need one negative. And looking at what we need to add it to is 1. So I'll make it negative 26 times 27, because negative 26 plus 27 equals 1. So I'll just rewrite my equation now. 2x squared, take away 26, x, and plus 27x, plus, minus 351. The next thing I need to think about here is a common factor. So if I've got 2x squared minus 26x, a common factor here is 2x. 2x squared divided by 2x equals x. 26x divided by 2x equals 13. Likewise with 27x minus 35, a common factor is 27. So that if I divide both by 27, I'm left with x. And if I divide 351 by 27, I'm left with negative 13. Because that is a common factor, I can take it out the front of x minus 13, and I'm also given 2x plus 27. Now, we know that it equals 0, and we know that to work this out, each bracket at one point will need to be equal to 0. If I look at this side here, 2x plus 27. If I get that part to 0, 2x, I take away 27 from both sides, I'm already at a negative, and if I divide that by 2, I'm still going to be at negative. Because we're talking about measurement, we can't have a negative. So we just look at x minus 13. X minus 13 equals 0. I add 13 to both sides and I get x equals 13. And that's our answer, 13.